Oh, what's poppin', y'all? It's Davon Dior back on y'all motherfucking screen.
I said the internet ain't doing no help. I know I shouldn't never live, but everything I did for us and us, I'm speaking on my kids. Thinking about the shit I did, like how the hell I get myself in.
Y'all already know what it is. I'm at Starbucks about to order me something to drink because it wouldn't be a vlog with me without ordering my strawberry acai refresher. Like, is that simple? Don't be a hater. Hi, may I please get a strawberry acai refresher, please?
I'm sorry, what was that?
May I please get a strawberry acai refresher? Trinity? Yes. Can I get a Trinity size, please?
Yeah, did you open it with water, lemonade, or coconut milk?
Could I get that with water? I'm sorry, not with water. With lemonade and apple juice, please.
Lemonade and apple juice.
And could I do light ice? And that'll be all for me.
Alright, so turn to strawberry acai, lemonade, apple juice, and light ice.
Yes.
Perfect, it'll be $7.16. I'll see you at the window.
Thank you. It's that simple. Yeah, I'm on the phone with Byron. We're not on FaceTime, but we on regular phone. Say hi.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hey, Dior.
Yeah, y'all name is probably gonna be Dior's, but I don't know. We still debating. Hold on, give me 1 second, Byron.
Yes, sir.
I'm not posting that. I will not have you looking like that.
I just shaved on my hair.
Oh my god. Y'all, so me, Gigi, and Raven are going. Oh, okay, boom. Me, Gigi, and Raven are going to the beach today. Mainly me and Gigi. I don't know if Raven is still going. Her nail appointment might run over time. So yeah, we're gonna have like a little cousin day. So y'all just gonna be coming along with us. I'm getting Starbucks right now. Then I'm gonna go to T-Mobile to see if I can get a new phone and see how much they're gonna charge me. And then I'm gonna DoorDash for a little bit, and then it's gonna be time to go to my cousin's house to get ready. So yeah, I will see you guys in a second. Yeah. So my Starbucks person, this has to be his fucking first job. He was so socially awkward. It was but maybe he just has social anxiety. Maybe that's maybe that's what it maybe it's because I'm black.
Maybe it's because I'm a Negro.
Maybe. But I got my drink.
Negroes get drinks nowadays. Who would have guessed?
I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get to the T-Mobile parking lot.
Yeah, we'll see you later.
Y'all, these bitches was trying to let me over, but I got over. I had to get over 4 lanes full of people, and I did it because it's dog eats dog world, bitch. Only the baddest bitch survive. Only the baddest bitch can get over in traffic without any complications, because bitch, I know how to drive. If you know how to drive, you can get through traffic. And that's just on period. So I'm outside of T-Mobile. I don't know if y'all can see the T-Mobile thing in the back. So y'all, I just left out of T-Mobile. I had to get me a new screen protector so I can see out my damn phone again. Good thing I got warranty, because everybody was like, when I first got my screen protector, my friends like, hold on, let me turn this down. Yeah, so when I first ever got my phone, my friends was like, Davon, why you getting your screen protector from T-Mobile? Why? Cause I got warranty on it, ho. So I got a new screen protector. I could have been got a new one. I just didn't go and get one. So We are back in business. My phone looks brand new with a new screen protector. Like, I don't play with walking around with a cracked ass phone. I don't do that type of shit. So, yeah. So my phone looked cracked, but the actual phone wasn't cracked. So as you guys can see, we're back in business. I can maneuver so much better. I feel like a brand new person. And my video is working on my, but y'all look, my back camera does not work. This is why I need a new phone, but the video for the back camera works. So I'm confused. The front camera works for video and pictures, but the back camera, I don't know what's been going on with her. Like, 1 minute she works, 1 minute she doesn't. Like, she's just so bipolar. Like, she be on her period, and my phone is saying that my phone is saying that I have an unknown part. It says unable to determine if iPhone camera is a genuine Apple part. What the fuck does that mean? So, I don't know what the fuck that means. Cause it's like, what do you mean by, I don't know. I'm just kind of like irritated because it's like my phone, like I need my damn camera. So I'm gonna turn my phone off and turn it back on. And then after that, I'm gonna do some DoorDash and get some extra coins in my pocket, because I don't have clients until Wednesday, y'all. Like, I'm gonna be a real ass bitch, because people be trying to act like now my back camera is working. Now it's working. But look, once I take a picture, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all what it does. So I'm gonna take a picture. After I take the picture and I click on it, it shows that picture, right? Once I get out the fucking, hold on, cause let me see now. Let me see if it really wants to work. Cause Instagram will prove if it works. Now it's working. Now we're working. Period. Period. So we are working, guys. I'm gonna post a little thing right here. So basically the DoorDash shit is not like busy right now. So I might just chill out until it's time to go to my cousin's house. Not gonna lie. Not going to lie. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna hit y'all up in a minute. Copyright.
No,
What's pop?
I thought it was only copyright if it was more than 10 seconds.
It is.
Oh well, shit. If that's the case. What?
The ball came out on my necklace. Oh.
It still looks fine.
It's still cute. Not gonna lie.
I turned the brightness down on this bitch.
But not without the ball. Oh,
But this thing got
y'all,
the
ball came out.
Your one got a skin thing on it?
No, mine don't have a skin. Y'all,
my face look.
her camera has like a skin, like a skin.
But it look kind of fake.
It's smooth. It's like a skin smooth, but you can turn it off. I'll turn it off.
I know how to turn it off, I think.
But y'all, we are on the way to the beach. Well, she gotta go get a shirt because she about to take night pictures tonight. If I knew we was doing it, I would have brought the outfit. But I will. But I'm gonna just wait, I guess. I'm gonna wait until another day to take some night pictures. Or I might take like some close up to something tonight. I don't know. We're gonna see. Cause I got like that orange shirt. I might take some cute selfies or whatever with that shirt on. But y'all, we are on the way to the beach and we're about to get some content in. We're vlogging. So at the beach we probably gonna walk around and then we're going to the Pineapple Hut and that's about it because it's hot.
It is hot.
It's hot. So that's pretty much it. And then on top of that, I'm going to the beach next weekend, so not really doing that much today.
That's what I have a list of stuff that I wanted to go down.
Raven might come meet us at the beach, or she might meet us at her house later after the beach. So yeah, we will see you guys when we get closer. I'm gonna do like a little montage, a little montage for y'all. I'm back. Let's turn y'all down just a tad. That looks a lot better. Y'all, I finally got my camera settings to look good, bitch.
I need to set mine. Stop playing.
So, cause I had to watch an ass of TikToks for this.
Oh.
Because
Matter of fact, I watched one.
Yeah, I was invested. I was watching TikToks for you bitches. But we're about to go into Rue 21 so she can get a shirt right now. She about to do her intro for her video and then we about to walk in.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh, he'll fool with the shit. Told her, don't let her friends know. In the Ville, and I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine of Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard of my deep stroke. She said, babe, does it hurt when I deep throat? Certified freak hoe, hang around dust, and she looking at my lingo. Back then, wasn't worried about me though. In the gym, trying to work on my freak though. Goddamn. Spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes, ma'am. She a little freak on cam. She don't put this on the ground. Little boys trying to diss on the ground.
It's on the corner. We're gonna pass this one. But y'all, we are on the strip area right now. So yeah.
I was not about to let your big fat ass man get right there.
No, he knew you wasn't gonna have over, so he took this.
He said, let me go.
What I told you now, it's a dog eats dog world out here. You gotta go and get it first.
Sometimes you gotta drive to number 2.
Where did me and Janae eat at that one day and I did not like it?
Here?
Must be something.
Oh no, we tried to go in there and we didn't like
Wait, Crab Shack?
No. The one that's next.
No,
I can't read that.
What's that shit called?
I don't know the shit called.
Snapper Jack, something. It's on the corner.
Y'all, I'm gonna keep like doing like montages for y'all and
you not
like talking to.
Damn. I really just.
Y'all, so we made it. But the
just
sun is not fucking out. So we're gonna see how these pictures come out.
Well, since I found somewhere to park, then I'm just gonna go.
So we're still gonna go to the Pineapple Hut. I'm gonna do like a little reel for y'all for that, so the girls can see and get my content in. I posted this little like layout.
Oh, he talking about him and Kai going out.
No, flip the camera and show them.
Oh yeah.
What the hell?
Him and
Flip
Kai.
the thing back.
Me and Kai and Talik going out.
Okay, that means house to my fucking house.
You mean to us?
Hour 3. What you doing? Change it?
No, I'm talking
Yes, ma'am.
I'll put the fucking extra batteries in.
She don't put this on the ground. Little boys trying to diss on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fan. Shit's hot, hit the switch on the fan. This what my head is. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share connections.
Oh, we're in Target.
I just don't feel like holding it.
We're in Target. So, I'm gonna show you guys around Target. And oh, so let me show y'all the shirt. The shirt I'm about to put on is from Target. It is this shirt right here. It's $8, and I got this one right here. So yeah, and I got a black one too, and I got a white one, and I'm thinking about getting that one, the blue one, because the blue one is really cute. But I got all my t-shirts from here. I'm obsessed with them. Shop at Target. And I like St. Ives too.
I think I smelled that one before, and it does.
I love this one. This one
So,
smells like
would you recommend Native or no? I think I'm gonna go with Native only because
I got diamonds doing slots in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas trip tonight. Slip that on to read my mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she know the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figures. It's that step
man, you be running out. Cover that.
How the fuck? I did.
Oh. And you still get it, bitch.
Shut the fuck. Anyways, we go to damn Chipotle. So
You dumb.
we're gonna go to Chipotle.
He's
because
cute.
He's hungry.
Them people is ugly.
no, I'm talking about the one. I'm talking about the one, the other one.
Chipotle.
So
Long day, we're hungry.
I want
I got
some
my
ice
stuff
cream.
from Target. And, oh yeah,
and we're going to
everybody
U
get
of Fashion to get some ice cream, because you bitches don't even got a U of Fashion where y'all from unless you're in
It's about
Charleston.
to be 9.
Come on.
Oh, bitch! I was trying not to move my motherfucking camera so you can get your fucking recording in. Oh, I'll put it in reverse. The fuck?
Oh, you can't go forward?
Oh, you right. Let's go forward. Cause I just realized they fucking moved and I could have gone forward. Uh-oh, now the back of the car said GG. Okay.
GG.
It's only one to me.
Great.
I have met another
Shut the hell up. Shit.
but I have not met another Greer.
Period.
So
I think I would. That's so different.
It's
I would
like-
name my child.
I ain't nobody got my name and I'm so
I wouldn't name my child
Why the
Greer.
fuck y'all
You
look like
said
y'all
you
about to
wouldn't?
fight?
No,
Oh.
because my child has to have a D name.
Oh.
So yeah,
I
yeah.
my child has to have a D name. So
life.
dear my
Maybe-
future
maybe the middle
husband,
name.
my child, our child has to have a D name. So yeah, and I already know what I want to name her, so it's not up for discussion. So
Skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another bell, give me another hour.
I'm gonna end the vlog right like now, actually, because I'm gonna just get the editing when I get in the house. I'm be like, so we got the Chipotle, and our last stop is the
y'all, so we're getting ice cream, and we didn't end up getting ice cream.
Gentleman back.
I fucking like.
Oh, you
I
was
was
recording?
like, I was in the middle of the shit.
This bitch is fucking rude. This bitch fucking talking in front of Gigi knowing.
Oh, he kind of cute. These white men have been kind of cute.
Y'all are giving what is supposed to
Are
be
they
gay.
twins? The both of them kids look the same.
But we didn't end up getting U of Fashion again. We getting school 50.
School 50.
School 50.
Super premium.
I never had this, so we're gonna see how it tastes.
Oh, they open till 11. Damn.
I war with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you do better than you do. Call me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. We do whatever we want. Go wherever we want.
What's poppin', y'all? I am with Janae. We're about to go get some food. We're about to go pick up Cameron and then we're about to go get some food. So I have on.
You got 1 or 2 lanes. Let me know.
So I have on. No, you good. No, it's fine. I'm gonna just hold it. So I have on this little purse from Shein, shirt thrifted from Goodwill, pants from Goodwill, shirt from Shein, necklace is from. You can. I had a similar necklace from this. I mean, like this from Shein, but you can. I got this from Rainbow. And glasses from Target.
Period.
So yeah, but I'm gonna see y'all when we go pick up Cameron. So yeah, we're gonna Mellow mushroom. So yeah.
Now my bitch is will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, get some me time.
Might have been a few hours, but it's felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Alright y'all, so we are at the College of Charleston right now. We do not go here, but we're in the dorms.
They don't even go here.
She doesn't even go here.
Do you even go to this school?
They don't even go here, and the security is not.
It's not the floor. It's on the apron. We gotta click the right.
We don't even go here. It doesn't even go here.
You know, it might be.
They don't know
They
that.
have a pool. The pool will be at the bottom floor though. Please not jump in there.
I know we got a pool, they got a pool.
We got a pool, but it's not in our. Yeah. We got a new student center. So, hey, shit, we just built a new one.
In the meantime,
I'm doing what I want.
just some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. I do that 3 more times again, I testify to you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all. I won't cry, you scared it. I'm not. Long as you joking, now it's for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming through it. I show bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just like you right now. But the truth, I look better.
Alright y'all, so we about to go into this like karaoke place in this little alley. So let's see. A lot of white people up there.
What else we can do?
We could go there next time. Maybe. Why are you just now noticing that?
I don't know. It never really hit me for
Janae, why are you sitting down? It's eating.
That's the car I want. That shit nice though.
Alright, y'all. Oh, sorry. Alright, y'all. So we are about to go to... I want to go to Urban Outfitters because I have a feeling they have a sale.
You just want to spend money.
I don't. I just have a feeling because I had got this bag, the bag I wore the other day. I got for $5, and it was on. But you gotta think the original price is $30, so they might have a sale. And if they see if a bag $5, y'all better not pick it up. Oh, just for that. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later.
Down, you acting like me, acting like